Mastering continuing education and professional development vocabulary. Hello, avid English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of continuing education and professional development. This is a crucial field, especially for those seeking to advance their careers and keep their skills sharp in this rapidly evolving global landscape. Let's get started. Continuing education refers to the process of learning new skills or obtaining knowledge beyond the traditional schooling years. This can be any form of post-secondary education for the purpose of learning a new skill, advancing in a current job, or fulfilling a personal interest. The key terms we'll discuss here are lifelong learning. This refers to the ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated pursuit of knowledge for either personal or professional reasons. Webinar, a seminar or other presentation that takes place on the internet, allowing participants in different locations to see and hear the presenter, ask questions, and sometimes answer polls. Workshop, an interactive educational event where participants carry out a number of activities rather than simply listen to a lecture or presentation. Professional development is a comprehensive, sustained, and intensive approach to improving professional skills, knowledge, and abilities. Key terms in this area include in-service training. This is job training that occurs during the course of employment. It's often used to give employees new skills or to update their existing ones. Mentorship. This is a relationship between a more experienced or knowledgeable person who helps guide a less experienced or less knowledgeable person. The mentor may be older or younger, but they must have a certain area of expertise. Networking. This is the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common profession or special interest, often in an informal social setting. Many continuing education and professional development courses offer certificates upon completion. Let's look at some related terms. Certificate, a document that proves that someone has completed a course or has particular qualifications. Accreditation, a process where certification of competency, authority, or credibility is presented to organizations. Continuing Education Unit, CEU, a measure used in continuing education programs, particularly those required in a licensed profession, for the professional to maintain the license. That wraps up our journey into the vocabulary of continuing education and professional development. Remember, language learning is itself a form of continuing education, so you're already practicing what you've learned today. Continue to use these terms, as they are integral for navigating the modern professional landscape. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering English. See you in the next video.